Hi all. In this video, I will tell you about the promo code for Mostbet, what it gives and how to activate it. Promo code 365 prize will increase the welcome bonus to $350. Free spins will also be available to you. To receive a bonus, you need to register. To do this, go to the site. Don't know where to find the official website of Mostbet? The link is in the pinned comment. Next, click the register button. I advise you to register by phone number. I will choose one-click registration. Fill in the required information. Next, enter the promotional code 365 prize. It is he who will give a bonus to the first deposit. We confirm the terms of the agreement. Click the registration button. Done. We have registered an account. What bonuses does Mostbet give for this? Bonus 125% to the first deposit. You will also get 250 free spins. How to get a bonus? Top up your gaming account with at least $20. You can do this in the replenishment tab. More bonuses can be found on the Mostbet official website, in the promotions tab. You will find a link to it and a special promotional code in the pinned comment under this video. All big and easy victories.